29 years on the road.
To be honest, I think this is a really incredible thing, and I had great doubts about it.
Flow from the desert dust to the mountain cold. We learn what tower it really means. And every curve, every run, every late night dream led us here to the front of your machine. 'Cause when the heat climbs high and the pressure falls low, you need a heart that's built to hold. We put the science in the soul, so your land's HDI, let your engine be the